Hey guys, here today with the 2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. So I have dynamic radar cruise control activated, and as you can see it up from the display, on the upper left you can see the lanes. I also have the lane keep assist on, and you can see from the green, little green icons below, you have it's engaged and it's set to 68. It's like 68, 69 miles an hour on the highways here. And so your buttons to set everything are right here. Basically, you have your zoom and set, and your on the right here is where you would, that's the button you would press to actually engage the dynamic radar cruise control right there. If I show you, lane keep assist is there, and setting your distance is that particular button there. That will set the car lanes that are allowed in front of you. So as you set it, it will bring it closer or further away. And that, guys, is pretty much dynamic radar cruise control. One thing I noticed in comparison to the 2023 Prius Prime is you really have to keep a more firm grip on the wheel. It's a little more finicky. With the Prius Prime, I can basically just keep a loose grip.